Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. Let's now travel to Nashik in Maharashtra, where first-generation entrepreneur Narendra Goliya is making all the right connections in the electronic instrumentation space with his company Rishabh Instruments. Here's the story. Rishabh Instruments, based out of Nashik, today has a recommendable position in the electronic instrumentation sector. Its founder and promoter Narendra Goliya, who holds reputed professional degrees such as a B.Tech from IIT Mumbai and an MS from Stanford, decided to return home and turn entrepreneur. He has since successfully steered the company towards constant progress.
IIT was one of the best education. After IIT, I went to Stanford in California, which is one of the great universities. There was another interesting period. I did my master's, worked in the US for a very short while, and then came back to India because the challenges in India were far more even at that time.
Over the past 2 decades, Rishabh Instruments has built upon its core competence of development, designing and manufacturing of testing equipments, measuring instruments and industrial control products indigenously, a sector that earlier remained dependent on imports from China.
The major products are coming from China, so we did indigenous developments, and I'm very proud to say that we got 2 product patents on them, which will make current meters a very unique product to use by the customer. We hope that by this year end it would be in the market, and it would be a great innovation. I would say it would be something which is the result of a horizontal thinking within the company.
And this horizontal thinking has led the company into providing a range of instruments which stand high on performance and quality. Partnering with manufacturers across the world for technical know-how, Rishabh Instruments has constantly developed next-generation electronic test instruments adhering to stringent quality management systems as per international standards.
Here in Rishabh has a policy, prices are negotiable, but features, safety and quality are not negotiable.
Products are customized according to the specification and needs of the clients, and this has made Rishabh Instruments the leading choice for their clients. The company serves millions of customers across the globe, including industrial heavyweights like Suzlon, Tata Power and Siemens, to name a few, while also exporting to the various European markets. Despite the downturn, Rishabh Instruments managed to post a turnover of 60 crore rupees last fiscal.
Ourselves, we have a fair share, more than 20% of our products go to Germany, about 10-12% go to UK, which means that we are selling to the developed markets of the world. This proves the quality and acceptability of our products. Other than that, we have about 35 countries where we have distributors who distribute these products in the local markets. So we have a very wide product range and a wide customer base, which I believe is good for the stability and long-term growth of the organization.
It is this wide range of product offerings like power quality analyzers, earth testers, insulation testers, RCD loop line testers, digital multimeters and calibrators that are keeping Rishabh Instruments going. These products are compact and are designed for optimum performance, keeping in mind that they need to be easy to operate and economical on power consumption.
In the export market, we got people who brand our products, or we brand our products for them. The design is ours, but we brand it for them and they sell it. They were erstwhile manufacturers, but in Europe it is now not possible to make some of the products that we make, like panel meters. So we brand it for them and they distribute it. That adds a big value to our turnover.
Having a team of efficient professionals who are well versed with the latest technological developments, the workforce at Rishabh Instruments works round the clock to manufacture superior quality precision engineered equipment for its clients. This has helped them achieve the reputed ISO 9001-2000 certification. Rishabh Instruments is also in the process of setting up a laboratory accredited by the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration, which will be in accordance with industry specifications.
We are a technology-oriented company. We have our own R&D center. We have about 26 people working in the R&D center. The Government of India gives a lot of support to us by way of financial assistance and funding all the patents that we have.
To achieve this, the workforce of Rishabh Instruments is constantly made to undergo various training programs. Their knowledge on latest processes and procedures implemented at the facility is constantly upgraded, so they stay abreast with changing international market standards.
David Horn Communication Limited UK has approached Rishabh for manufacturing DVD interview recorder and supplying to different international markets like Australia, UK and New Zealand.
We are the largest manufacturers in the world for analog panel instruments. Nobody makes as many analog panel meters as we make in a day. The average output is more than 5,000 pieces a day.
To maintain quality at the highest level, most components for their products, from circuit boards to screws and their plastic molded bodies, are manufactured at their plant in Nasik under a single roof. This also provides for synergy between different lines of production and helps in reducing production and operational costs and time.
We are vertically integrated in terms of that we manufacture instruments, but along with manufacturing instruments, we also manufacture all the components which go into instrument. So right from designing the concept to making the designs for the molds, to actually making the molds, to injecting powder, which we call as injection molding, to printed circuit boards. These are boards on which you lay the components. We do the SMT, surface mount technology, in the house, to automatic calibration and testing. All that is done in-house.
With a strong belief that success depends on teamwork, commitment, integrity and excellence, it has created a niche for itself in the market. With the first parameter of success being quality, Rishabh Instruments is poised to take a leap forward and write a new success story all over again.